Black Friday is coming early, and Amazon just dropped some unbelievable kitchen deals you can't ignore. From high-end blenders and espresso makers to must-have air fryers and cookware sets, these early Black Friday offers are already up to 70% off. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or gifting smart this season, stay tuned, because these 20 deals are absolutely worth grabbing before they're gone. Number 1. Nespresso Vertuo Espresso Maker. Start your day with the rich aroma of cafe-style espresso right from your kitchen. The Nespresso Vertuo Espresso Maker delivers barista-quality coffee with one simple touch. Using its smart capsule recognition for perfectly balanced flavor every time. Compact yet powerful, it brews both espresso and full cups of coffee effortlessly. Whether you're a coffee lover or gifting to one, this early Black Friday deal makes mornings smoother, faster, and definitely more delicious. Number 2. Bluebow Air Fryer. If you love crispy fries and golden wings without the guilt, the Bluebow Air Fryer is your new best friend. It uses advanced rapid air circulation to cook food evenly and up to 80% faster than a traditional oven. The large basket is perfect for family dinners, yet compact enough to fit any kitchen. With huge early Black Friday savings, it's time to enjoy healthier meals that taste as good as the deep-fried version. Number 3. TINANA Electric Kettle. The TINANA Electric Kettle brings both speed and style to your countertop. Its stainless steel design boils water in just a few minutes, ideal for tea, coffee, or instant meals when you're short on time. It features automatic shutoff for safety and an easy pour spout that keeps things mess-free. With sleek looks and practical power, this kettle is one of those early Black Friday steals that'll instantly make your kitchen more efficient and modern. Number 4. Delpattern Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Delpattern Wireless Meat Thermometer takes all the guesswork out of cooking. Its smart Bluetooth connection tracks your food's temperature in real time from your phone, letting you relax while the perfect roast cooks itself. Whether it's steak night, Thanksgiving turkey, or smoked ribs, you'll never overcook again. Completely wireless and built for both indoor and outdoor use, it's one of the most useful early Black Friday deals for any home chef. Number 5. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender makes blending effortless anywhere you go. Its cordless, rechargeable design lets you whip up smoothies, shakes, or protein drinks, whether you're in the kitchen, office, or outdoors. Despite its small size, it has the power to crush ice and blend frozen fruit with ease. Cleanup is super simple, and the travel cup doubles as your drink bottle. This early Black Friday deal makes healthy living portable and stylish. Number 6. Keurig K-Mini Plus Coffee Maker. If space is tight, but coffee is essential, the Keurig K-Mini Plus Coffee Maker has you covered. It brews fresh coffee in minutes using any K-Cup pod, giving you consistent flavor without the mess. The compact design fits perfectly on small counters or desks, and the removable drip tray even accommodates travel mugs. Sleek, fast, and now deeply discounted for early Black Friday, this little coffee maker packs convenience and quality into one smart package. Number 7. KitchenAid Deluxe Stand Mixer. Every baker's dream, the KitchenAid Deluxe Stand Mixer brings serious mixing power to your kitchen. With 10 speeds and durable all-metal construction, it can whip cream, knead dough, or mix batter with effortless precision. Its classic design and optional attachments make it endlessly versatile for every recipe. Whether you're an occasional baker or a pro, this early Black Friday discount makes owning this iconic mixer easier and more tempting than ever before. Number 8. Beautiful 6-Quart Slow Cooker. The Beautiful 6-Quart Slow Cooker, designed by Drew Barrymore, turns everyday meals into set-it-and-forget-it perfection. Its stylish matte finish adds elegance to any countertop, while the 6-quart capacity easily handles family dinners or meal prep. Digital controls and automatic warming keep food ready when you are. Perfect for soups, stews, or pulled pork, it's functional and gorgeous. This early Black Friday deal combines beauty, simplicity, and unbeatable value in one kitchen essential. Number 9. ELPOSUN Outdoor Pizza Oven. Bring the taste of authentic wood-fired pizza to your backyard with the ELPOSUN Outdoor Pizza Oven. It heats up quickly to deliver that perfect crispy crust and smoky flavor every pizza lover dreams of. Lightweight and easy to assemble, it's ideal for cookouts, camping trips, or family nights outdoors. Built with durable stainless steel, it's designed to last through every season. This early Black Friday deal is a slice of outdoor cooking heaven. Number 10. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer is your go-to for quick, crispy, and healthier meals. It cooks food with up to 75% less fat while keeping everything tender and delicious inside. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for everyday use and cleanup's a breeze with its dishwasher-safe basket. Whether it's fries, chicken, or roasted veggies, this air fryer does it all. Faster, smarter, and cheaper, thanks to its early Black Friday markdown. Number 11. TINANA Nut Milk Maker. The TINANA Nut Milk Maker makes fresh almond, oat, or soy milk right at home. No preservatives, no mess. With one-touch operation and a quiet motor, it blends and filters effortlessly for creamy, smooth results every time. Its compact stainless steel design fits perfectly in any kitchen, and cleanup takes just seconds. This early Black Friday deal gives you healthy, homemade milk alternatives that taste better and cost less than store-bought options. Number 12. Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Machine. Wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread with the Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Machine. This compact but powerful machine offers multiple baking modes for loaves, dough, or even jam. The automatic mixing and kneading functions do all the work for you. Just add ingredients and let it bake. It's perfect for beginners or busy families. With this early Black Friday discount, fresh homemade bread is easier and cheaper than ever. Number 14. Astercook 14-piece knife set. The Astercook 14-piece knife set brings professional precision to every slice. Each knife is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for durability and sharpness that lasts. The sleek wooden block keeps them neatly stored and ready for action, while ergonomic handles ensure comfort and control. Perfect for chopping, slicing, and carving, this set is a kitchen essential for home chefs. With a huge Black Friday markdown, it's style, performance, and savings in one. Number 14. Chefman 1-liter electric glass kettle. Boil water fast and beautifully with the Chefman 1-liter electric glass kettle. The transparent glass design lights up while heating, giving your kitchen a modern glow. It boils in minutes, automatically shuts off for safety, and features a stainless steel base for durability. Perfect for tea, coffee, or instant noodles, this kettle adds elegance and efficiency to your routine. Snag it now during the early Black Friday sale for a sleek upgrade at a low price. Number 15. KitchenAid Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Lightweight yet powerful, the KitchenAid Ultra Power Hand Mixer makes baking simple and fun. With multiple speeds, it easily whips, blends, and mixes anything from cookie dough to mashed potatoes. The soft grip handle and compact storage make it both comfortable and convenient. Whether you're a casual baker or a seasoned pro, this early Black Friday deal brings professional-level performance without the bulk of a stand mixer, and at a price that's hard to beat. Number 16. Ninja Thirsti Drink Maker. The Ninja Thirsti Drink Maker turns plain water into custom sparkling beverages in seconds. With adjustable carbonation and flavor options, it lets you craft everything from seltzer to fruit-infused refreshers right at home. No single-use bottles, no extra sugar, just fresh, fizzy drinks your way. Sleek, eco-friendly, and fun to use, it's one of Amazon's most refreshing early Black Friday deals that's perfect for families who love healthy, creative drink options. Number 17. Ninja 10-in-1 PossibleCooker. Meet the Ninja 10-in-1 PossibleCooker. Your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. It sears, slow cooks, steams, bakes, roasts, and even makes rice, replacing multiple appliances with one sleek design. The non-stick pot is easy to clean, and its large capacity makes it perfect for family dinners or meal prep. Whether you're cooking chili, pasta, or pulled pork, this cooker does it all. With a massive early Black Friday discount, it's the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Number 18. Astercook 6-piece kitchen knife set. For those who prefer minimalist style, the Astercook 6-piece kitchen knife set offers top-tier performance in a compact set. Each knife is made from premium stainless steel with razor-sharp precision and comfortable grip handles. The set includes all the essentials you need for daily cooking tasks while saving space on your counter. It's sleek, functional, and built to last. And this early Black Friday deal makes it a sharp addition to any kitchen. Number 19. Ninja Crispi 3-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer. The Ninja Crispi 3-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer combines air frying, roasting, and reheating in one compact powerhouse. Its glass basket lets you watch your food cook while achieving crispy, golden perfection using minimal oil. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, or travel. Whether you're cooking wings, fries, or veggies, it delivers fast, even results. This early Black Friday offer is perfect for anyone who loves healthy, crunchy meals anytime. Number 20. Kitchen-in-the-Box 2-pound bread machine. The kitchen-in-the-box 2-pound bread machine makes fresh, fluffy bread with zero effort. It offers multiple loaf sizes and crust settings, letting you customize every batch. With automatic kneading and baking, all you do is add ingredients and press start. It's great for families or anyone tired of store-bought loaves. Easy cleanup, consistent results, and a massive early Black Friday discount make this bread maker an irresistible kitchen must-have. That wraps up our list of the best early Amazon Black Friday kitchen deals of 2025. From air fryers to espresso makers, these savings won't last long, so to grab your favorites before these kitchen steals disappear.